another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You got every attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria? Don't worry about it, damn thing. I'm too excited. Dark liquor with the palm trees. It's all or nothing, ooh, it's all or nothing. Ignore the signs and socialize. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You got every attitude. Who cares what the people think? 'Cause it's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You got every attitude. Who cares what the people think?
Alright, I'm working pretty late today, but I got the molds ready. This should be fine. It's a lot of tape, but it is what it is. And another thing, it's not even coming out. Whatever. This is what it looks like, the pattern for the stool. And I think it's gonna look really sick with epoxy. So I'm pretty excited for that. Same thing with this one. It's pretty much 1.5 inch rotation for each layer. There's 7 layers. So, yep, let's pour it. Okay, so let me just give you a quick update on this epoxy curing process. I did 2 different pours for the stool seats and 3 different pours for the stool legs. Now they're still in the process of curing and it's only been about 12 hours, so I'm gonna let it sit for about 2-3 days to fully cure, and then I'm gonna start working with these. And in the meantime, I'm going to be making a jig that allows me to turn the stool legs on the table saw. Watch this video too. Okay, so here it is. Pair of stools made out of broken skateboards and epoxy. And quick shout out to TOTALBOAT. This was my first time using the thick set epoxy and it turned out way better than what I expected. And I'm going to be diving a little deeper with this broken skateboard and epoxy combo, so stay tuned for my future projects. And if you like saving money, check out the link down in the description below and get a fat discount off of all TOTALBOAT products. Thanks, TOTALBOAT. Woo! Now, just like you, I was a little bit skeptical at first. Now I'm super confident about using this table saw, lathe, jig, I don't even know what to call it. But this was inspired by Izzy Swan, and he has a really great video talking about how it works and why it's perfectly safe to use. And compared to the lathe, I could get repeatable round taper legs quickly on the table saw. The scariest part for me was using the router to cut the tenon, and I think I kind of figured it out. So I'll make a whole new separate video, even though I made 2 of them and I have a ton of footage just for you. I'll make a whole new separate video. Cool? Stay tunesies, baby. Now, I want to take this time to thank the sponsor of this video, which is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. Now, as much as I enjoy woodworking, I equally enjoy making these YouTube videos. And just like woodworking, I have 0 experience whatsoever. So whenever I have time, I like to take classes on Skillshare to level up on any of the areas that I need to improve on. Skillshare has thousands of classes that are curated specifically for learning. You don't have to deal with any ads, and they're always launching new premium classes. I took a class called Learn Premiere Pro and Edit How-To Videos for Beginners by Elise Narvis. It's a really great class on teaching you how to make a great how-to videos. She makes it really easy so that even a beginner who has never used Premiere Pro can make a video. And what's great about these Skillshare classes is you can always pick up right where you left off. So, if you're motivated to learn more about design, photography, videography, or photo editing, whatever skills that you might be interested on, join millions of creative and curious people and take an inspiring class on Skillshare. And right now, the first 1,000 people to use the link down in the description below will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. So check out the link down below and improve any of the areas that you'd like to improve upon. Thanks, Skillshare. And that's it for this video. This is probably one of my favorite things that I've ever made so far, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think about this stool down in the comments below. Till next time.